Right, just wanted to show you the voltage on the AC to DC power supply here. So this is my voltage. Just I see it's maybe not too clear on the video. It's fluctuating between 77.7 and 77.6. And then this is the output. As you can see, the little DC wire there. This is the output from the box there. Can't really follow the lead there, but I'll show you the output here on my multimeter. So as you can see there, it's 48. So it's just on the output there. It's on 48.5 volts. So it fluctuates between 48.5 and 48.6.